All right, you are Chenica Washington. And Miss Washington, I called your case this morning and you weren't here. Where were you? I can't hear and understand
I
you.
was late. My daughter was to come and she couldn't come.
Okay. So I recall that bond forfeiture. Did you get a lawyer hired?
Ellen Parker,
You hired him?
I called from already.
No. You were here before, and I told you that since you bonded out, that you're supposed to go hire a lawyer. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I talked to whole day yesterday and Ellen Parker. Nobody
I need you to speak loudly and
Nobody
clearly.
called me back though.
So for 30 days, how many lawyers did you call?
Ellen Parker, Joe Vasquez, and another name.
What's the other one's name?
I can't remember his name.
Why wouldn't you write that stuff down?
It's a person to call.
Well, how does that make sense? If I test you this morning, you can have something in your system? Have a seat in the jury box. Let's get that tested.
Let's break this down. Chenica just admitted to using PCP 2 weeks ago while being out on bond. For a felony charge, that's a direct violation of bond conditions, which legally require you to remain drug-free and law-abiding while awaiting trial. But here's the real issue. The combination of PCP, THC, and benzodiazepines isn't just illegal, it's dangerous. It signals to the court that she may be a risk to herself and others. And when she casually says she's dealing with depression, without any ongoing medical support, that raises even more red flags at this point. Judge Boyd has every legal and ethical reason to question whether it's safe to keep her out of custody.
So, Ms. Washington, you tested positive for THC, benzodiazepine, and admitted to using PCP 2 weeks ago. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How'd you get here today? Answer out loud.
My fiance.
Okay. Stand right here.
Yes, ma'am.
So obviously this is a violation of your bond conditions, and it is not safe for me to have you out while you're on bond for a felony using PCP, benzodiazepine, all this stuff. When's the last time you smoked marijuana and used benzo?
No, not 2 weeks ago.
So pretty much had a big party 2 weeks ago, used it all?
Depression.
The pressure of what?
Depression.
Depression?
Yes, ma'am.
You do understand that all of these things makes that worse, not better.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a doctor that you're going to?
Promo, I don't know what happened to him. I just got a new doctor. I was.
Hold on a second. If you want to see if your client can get back real quick, we just reset it just because it had gotten so late. But if he just left, if you want to try to call him or have your office call him, if y'all want to take care of it with the plea today, we can do it.
Let me try to get him right now.
Okay.
See if I can get him on cell phone.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. I don't believe that the last time you used was a couple weeks ago. You're not coherent.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Yes, ma'am.
So what, Ms. Washington, I'm going to, hold on, let me find, what was her bond set at? Can y'all tell real quick for me? Nope, I got it. I'm finding it. Want to find that you violated your bond conditions?
This is where the hammer drops. Judge Boyd finds her in violation of her bond and raises it from $6,000 to $15,000. That's not just a number, it's a message. He's not trying to punish her for being mentally unwell. He's responding to the risk she poses by using multiple hard substances while awaiting trial. The bond increase is a protective measure for the community and for her, but he doesn't stop there. He adds a drug patch condition, which will chemically monitor her sobriety around the clock. That level of accountability is rare but necessary here. The real question is, will she comply? Or will this end with a much higher bond or even jail time?
Of these substances, and I'm going to raise your bond at this time, find that you're at large without, or based on those bond conditions, raise your bond. I'm having a... This shows 6,000.
6,000, it is 6,000.
Right, I'm going to raise your bond to $15,000 in your case. A condition of that bond, if you make it, is that you have to wear a drug patch. You have to have that drug patch put on within 24 hours of your release and give proof to that to your bondsman. If you test positive on that drug patch, you're going to be right back in jail with a much higher bond. Do you understand? Go back with the bailiff.
Do I get this drug patch?
Your bondsman can tell you where to get it.
Okay.
So what did we just witness? A defendant who missed her hearing, admitted to using multiple substances, and then stood face to face with a judge who wasn't having it. Judge Boyd didn't just lecture, he took action. A bond hike, a drug patch, and a clear warning. Violate this again, and jail is the next stop. This case highlights the razor-thin line between accountability and second chances, and how quickly things can spiral when that line is crossed. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Just like this, you won't want to miss what's coming next.